Hi, my name is Josh Plunkett, and I came here today to talk to you about the correlation between your physical and mental well being. I chose this topic because I am a firm believer in your body being a temple. You only got one of them, so you might as treat it the best as you can. Now, what did you do today to challenge your brain and body besides pointlessly scrolling through stupid TikToks and refreshing the same Instagram feed 10 times, leaving yourself just bland? I myself have been working out and mentally challenging myself for the past 4 years, putting myself in certain situations on purpose to see how my mind and body react to the scenario thrown at them. I'm going to discuss the different connections between the mind and body and how challenging yourself physically and pushing yourself to new limits also impacts the way you mental process things. Practicing physical and healthy routines will result in a happier, healthier mindset. According to an online article from step2health.com, the brain is like a muscle that needs to be stimulated every day. Completing tasks and mental challenges is just as benefiting to the brain as simple workouts are to the muscles in your body. Setting physical goals for yourself in any type of challenging activity, such as completing a run in a certain time or lifting a certain weight in a lift, and completing those goals makes the brain feel empowered and accomplished. Once that is practiced enough and the brain seeks more accomplishment, you start getting that simple satisfaction by completing the tasks your brain needs throughout the day. No matter that being depositing a simple check at the bank or completing a grocery shopping list. Completing mental tasks rewards the brain just as much as a simple workout rewards active muscles. The body is like a vehicle, it runs off its own type of gasoline. That would be considered the nutrients you put it in your body throughout the day, having a responding effect to how you feel. The type of foods you eat have a direct correlation to the energy you have throughout your day. New Future magazine states, healthy foods give your body a lot of energy. Nutrients like calcium, proteins, and minerals are a must for your body. If you choose to eat junk food every day, you may end up eating an obese body and a lazy mind. I find myself feeling like shit and really, quite frankly, unmotivated on the days I fill myself with greasy fast food and unhealthy snacks, usually resulting in low performance or pointless naps throughout my day, putting a screeching halt to any productivity. And I've done that. I've measured myself and seen when I do work out and say I go get a Chick-fil-A sandwich, in the next hour or so I just feel gross and bloated, but if I have a nice balanced meal with some greens and meat, I feel more ready to go since my body was being deteriorated from the workout. When finishing a workout or exercise, it's just as important to eat healthy after. That is when your body is exhausted and the most when your body is exhausted the most and needs all the nutrients possible to repair muscles and re-energize your body. The American College of Sports Medicine says adequate food and fluid should be consumed before, during, and after exercise to help maintain blood glucose concentration during exercise, meaning staying hydrated and staying nutritionally balanced will keep you running longer and working out, resulting in better results and wanting to do more. The type of food you eat and when you eat it will have a direct correlation to the energy your body is producing. Making it part of your routine to prep healthy meals and practice healthy dieting is just as important as making physical activity a part of your routine. Creating a routine for yourself increases productivity due to your brain feeling that sense of accomplishment when you complete tasks based on your routine. I myself have developed many different routines for different days and activities. On days I plan on going riding or something that requires a massive amount of energy, I wake up an hour earlier than usually fill my body with nutrients to fuel myself all day. Once that activity is over, I set time for rest and refueling before starting something else. There are just two small steps in a day. Those are just two small steps in a day-filled routine I like to follow to make sure my body is ready for the tasks thrown at it. Completing tasks such as going to the bank to deposit a check or just simple grocery trip rewards my mind in the same way that it does completing a physical goal. The brain feeds off achievement, and that's all you'll get from completing the things you need to physically or not. In conclusion, challenging yourself physically and pushing yourself to new limits also impacts the way you mentally process certain things. I am very passionate about working out and following the routines I set up for myself. Not a day goes by where I am not physically active and challenging my mind in any way I can. I strive very hard to fuel my body with the necessary nutrients to maximize my energy and strength throughout my days. Thank you for listening.